What up, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all online bosses. Remember, guys, that is the agenda of this channel to make all your online bosses. And the guys that were here from the start, that knew about me from TikTok, understands that I bring you the narratives. I can't really say I don't have a life because it sounds weird, but I don't. And I don't particularly want a life right now. Right now, I just want to give as much value to the world, and I want to give back, build my brand, and I'll reap the rewards later on down the line. But for years, everyone knows me. I'm that guy. If I find something, I will tell everybody. And I believe in what goes around comes around, and I've made millions. So me living, having this agenda and living this life has done me well. And I generally get excited when I find new narrative to tell people. This is why I had to be, whatever you call it, influencer, call it whatever you want. I had to make content because look at me, look. I'm excited because I've got something amazing for you guys, and it's not going to cost you no money. That's what I thrive on, you know. And it's great to understand your personality. When you understand your personality, you understand what makes you happy. You understand, your strengths and your weaknesses. You excel in life. And my personality is I'd love to give back. I love to find things, and I love to tell everybody else. And I love to make money as well. Like, I'm going to get in this project as well, and I'll make some money. Guys, let me just break it down for you because there's some guys that maybe has never bought NFTs or have bought NFTs or in this situation. Let's start from the beginning. We all know 99% should understand what NFTs are, yeah? Non-fungible tokens, all right? Basically, there's a lot of hype right now with NFTs. I believe that the whole future narrative of NFTs will disrupt how we know, disrupt the world how we know it. Because NFTs can go on the blockchain. It's to do with ownership, collectability, community. The list goes on and on and on. So let's use a couple of examples. It's power back to the people. And I'll tell you why. A course now. Everyone sells courses. A lot of people sell courses, and I think courses are great. I spent tens and $20,000 on courses. It's amazing. I think it's a great thing for people to do. Package with their knowledge and sell it to other people because it fast tracks that person for success because they can learn from all the mistakes and how to do what you want to do. You're having a blueprint, right, given to you for the sake of a few $100s, which it would have took you years to get to that person's level. I'm all up for courses. Thing with courses, it's very one-sided. It's two-sided. But when you buy a course, that's it. You bought the course. You can never get refunded on it. That's the course. But great because you got the knowledge. But imagine if the course was as an NFT, you extract all that knowledge, you understand it all, but now you said, okay, well, I want to sell what I bought. You've owned it. You bought it. Why can't you sell it? You own it. Why can't I bought this phone? I want to sell it. I can sell it. Everything else, that's tangible, that's physical, I can sell. Why can't I sell a course that I pay for? Now imagine you bought the course as NFT. Now you can sell it anytime you want to sell it, and it's for the person that made the course to keep you not selling that course. So it's on them to work. Do you get it? And what they can do is they can say, okay, well, you get access to a group, and in this group, they'll give you more value. So you don't want to sell. So you're forcing these creators to give more value, which is great. Like Gary Vee. Gary Vee has put his name, his brand on the line with VeeFriends. And he's already said that is his lifelong mission to give value to that project. Because he has to, right? Because it's part of his brand. And he wants to make money in the royalties. Anyway, going a bit off a tangent. But that is just one big use case for NFTs. There's loads. We'll continue talking about them on this channel at some point. Anyway, so you understand a little bit NFTs if you wasn't into NFTs at the start. Quick recap. NFTs, they had this big phase of profile pictures. NFTs get into a community, and you got the collectability, you got that community, you got the ownership, you got the flexing. Okay. But the only problem was, and I said this, that NFTs won't make it because the owners are raising too much money. The devs, the founders, they're raising too much money on the front end. I understand business. I'm 37. I've been in business since I was 10 years old. I understand business, I understand marketing, I understand branding. And these old founders were sucking too much liquidity out the market. So they sell that there's no other business you make money off the front end, really, on the planet. Yes, you can raise kind of capital, can raise funds, but usually that goes straight into something. And in the traditional world, you know, if you don't put that into something you don't see yourself building, you can get called as a scam, you can go to jail. In crypto, it's not regulated. So there's a lot of people that kind of manipulate the system, right? So I said, what I suggested months ago is, why are we paying for NFTs, guys? These companies make money off royalties. Why should we pay for NFTs on the front end? Because what incentives are you actually giving them to continue to build? Because they're already raised millions. Yes, there be anomalies, Board Your 8 Club, you know, other big project doodles that want to continue to build, but these are just a small minority. Majority are going to take your money and do nothing with it. So this is the new chapter, I believe, of NFTs, free mints. So they're not making money off the front end, but they will make money off royalties if they build, if they continue to give value to the community. So wahoo, you know, this is what's happened, is the free mint meta. So now the NFTs are free and they have to build hype, they have to do something to make money of royalties. And you may say, well, they've got no money for marketing, they've got no money to build, they've got no money for this. Well, to be honest with you guys, to be pretty frank with you, I've opened up bricks and mortar businesses and I spent $250,000 to launch this business. If you come into an NFT business and you haven't got some money behind you, I won't say you wouldn't deserve to, but you better have some great utility, right? You better have some skills that you can bring to the table. If not, if you ain't got money, ain't got skills, I don't want to know about your NFT project, sir. John, Jill, all right? So if they ain't coming in with marketing budgets, then that's their problem. We want to get in on the mint. Anyway, I digress. To the point. Free mint meta. Now, I'm going to show you on this channel every time I spot a free mint. This is what I love about this channel. I'm not here to give these amazing edits and lighting and all this stuff. I'm here to give you guys pure value. There will come a time when our minds, snazz it up a little bit. But for now, I want to find a narrative, find a way we all can make money, come straight on, give you guys value, and help you guys make money. Okay, free mint meta. So every time I see a good project that I believe can make us money, I'm going to put it on the channel. So tap into my socials. Sometimes I might put it on my Twitter, my YouTube, TikTok. So tap into all my socials, guys. Simple. If you want all my socials, go into on my Instagram, onlineboss_mentor. In the bio, I have my link tree with all my socials. Okay, simple. Okay, so dig into it. So this project is launching now. So you want to get over to the Discord now after you finish this video, because I need to let you know a bit more. So what you're gonna do, guys, you need to go into the Discord here, and you need to participate. I think that right now they're doing like an early allocation, mint. Okay, it goes live at 5 p.m. early allocation. You want to try and get in. This is for early birds. But if you don't get in, you can get in on the public sale. Go in there, give value. Maybe volunteer to be a mod, whatever it is, to maybe get in early. If not, take your chances of getting in on public sale. But it's free. You probably have to pay gas. Gas is cheap, $15, $10, whatever. This is your opportunity to get into the space. If you're new, to get in your space. When it goes to OpenSea, hopefully you should get hype, because it's got a big hype. Then sell straight away. Don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. Take profits. Sell. Take your profits from there. Get into another hype mint, free mint. Make some money. I got a feeling, guys, this is going to be, I could be wrong, but I got nothing to lose. This is why I don't mind telling you guys, because if I was wrong about this meta, about this narrative, we got nothing to lose. Just a little bit gas fees. But I genuinely believe this can build a little bit of hype back into NFTs. I genuinely believe it. And because NFTs, they do have this, they have some great points to NFTs. It's fun. Everyone's bored these days, but something to do. It's fun. It's a bit like gambling. It's a bit like collectibles. You're part of a community. It's hype. It is genuine fun, guys. So I believe NFTs, they're not going to just disappear. They just had to evolve, and maybe this is the evolution they've been waiting for. So let's take a look at their socials. So their website. We're not just buying Bitcoin, the punks too. So maybe on the roadmap they're buying Bitcoin and punks, and maybe doing a DAO. All right. So there's their website. So if you go to the website, thesaudisnft.com, and in a Discord, that was it. I wanted to show us. I wanted to go on a Discord together, guys. Look at the hype. So I can just go through Discord for the new people that are new to NFTs. Basically, you would have went on to. Okay, let's do it live with you guys because some of you guys are probably new. So basically, you went on to their Twitter, press onto Discord, then it would have got you into Discord. I'm already signed in, guys, but usually they'll probably say, kind of like, well, obviously you're gonna have to have a Discord first, then you'd have to, jump through some hoops. It might say press this button to prove that you're not a bot. Just press the button and move forward. Always go into the main chat and see hype. Look at this hype, guys. You can always see, look at this. Several people typing. Everyone's just going crazy. And I feel great that I'm telling you this because it's not a mint that you got to pay for. So you're going to have to lose. Look at this hype. So always check announcements, see what's going on. So you go on announcements and you want to see what's going on. See the last announcement. Okay, what's going on? Thank you all for your love and support. We're working very hard to get the contract fully verified. Whitelist mint ends at 5 p.m. Eastern. I don't know the time now. I'm in Dubai time, guys. So, yeah, whitelist ends. So this is all people that got in early, but that's fine because there's still got. See, there's like what you don't get everybody liking these. You get people that probably on the whitelist. So about 2,000 people got the whitelist, right? I think there's only how many was there, guys? Was there 5,000? Let's have a look. 5,500. So already that 2,000 people, 2,000, 3,000 people got the whitelist. Probably less. Not too sure how many whitelists they had. And then the rest, guys, are going to the public mint. Public mint. That's where you guys can get in if you can't get in the whitelist. So, guys, I know it's a little bit of a longer video, but I wanted to explain the narrative and the histories of NFTs. So, guys, I'm going to try and bring you out this content on a regular because I know a lot of you guys are going to make money. Guys, I'm not even bothered about getting in. This is the difference between me and many influencers. Guys, I make over 6 figures on my marketing agency every single month. I'm Gucci. I'm good. I'd rather just get this information out to you. Tell one of my team members. I haven't even told my team members yet. I've got like 20 in the team. I'm going to tell one of my team members to reach out, see if we can get in early, give them some value. I own at NFT Wealth, at NFT Mentor. I own big social medias that I probably can get in early. But I'm not even caring about that now. I'm caring about giving you guys the content. You guys win, I win. I win, you guys win. All right, guys, if you like this video, check that video out. Subscribe to the channel. This is The Online Boss. Peace out.